Here is question 24. So we've got a whole bunch of things that we need to do some calculations for. So let's break this down into a piece at a time. So first of all, it talks about some costs. So we're talking about it costs to hire a space. And note down the bottom, state clearly what you're working out. So I want some labels. So I'm going to put here, I'm going to put the space cost, and that's $20. Then we're told she bought 200 kg of carrots at 50 cents per kg. So that we can talk about the carrot cost, so how much she spent buying the carrots. And so that was 200 kilograms, and it cost 50 cents per kg. So that's going to cost $100. So I can now say, well, the total cost, I can spell cost without a K. The total cost is my $100 plus that $20. So in total, it's cost her $120. Okay, so that's dealt with that piece of information, dealt with that. Now we've got to look at what happens when she sells these carrots. So some of these carrots are superior quality and some of them are not. And she sells them for a different amount of money. So let's break that down. And so we're talking now about her sales. So she's got the superior carrots. And what do we know about superior carrots? 2/5 of those carrots. So we know there's 200 kilograms. So 2/5 of that 200 kilograms. So that's going to be 2/5 of the 200 kilograms. And we need to work that out. So 2 times 200 is 400. 400 divided by 5 is 80 kilograms. So we know that from the 200 kilograms in total, 80 kilograms of them are superior carrots. And now we're told that the superior ones she sold at $1.50 per kilo. Okay, so we can say, right, she sold 80 kilos and she sold them for $1.50 per kg. So I want to do 80 times $1.50. So 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. Put a 0 down. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. So that's going to give me 0, 0, and 8 and 12 is 12. And there is one decimal there. So I'm going to put the decimal there. So that is $120. So she sold these 80 kilos of superior carrots and she earned $120 from that sale. So that's the superior ones. Then we've got to look at the rest of them. So we know that 2/5 of them were superior. So the rest, so that must mean 3/5. So 3/5 of that 200 kilograms are not superior quality. So there's two ways of looking. We can multiply it like that, and that will work out to be 120 kilos. Or you can think, well, I know I've got 200 kilos in total. If 80 of them are superior quality, that means 120 is what's left over. Okay, so now I need to work out how much money she got from that. So from her other carrots, let's see how much she sold those for. So we're told she priced those at 90 cents per kilo, but she only sold 75% of them. Okay, so we know that there is 80 kilos, sorry, not 80 kilos, there is 120 kilos, but she only sold 75% of those. So let's work that out. So 120 times 75 over 100. Or we know that 75% is the same, that can simplify to 3/4. So that would give me 360 over 4, which is 90 kg. And the last thing that we need to do is I've dealt with that 75%. Now I've just got to do this 90 cents per kilo. So now I'm going to look at how much the sales are. And so she had 90 kilos times 90 cents per kilo. So I'm just going to do that. 90 times 0.9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 9 is 81. And there's one decimal place there, so I'm going to put my decimal point there. So that means that she sold them and got $81. Now let me just go back. The question says, what profit did Rachel make? So we know that her costs, both of the costs together, was the $120. We know that her sales, from the money that she earned, she got $81 from the other, and she got $120 from the superior quality. So there's $120 plus the $81, so that would give her $201. So now we just need to combine this together and say, right, well, her profit is the same as her sales or income minus the cost. So if I do $201 minus the $120, that means she made a profit of $81. So getting through to that answer with those labels, that would get you through to your E+. If you got most of it, but made one small mistake, that would have got you through to an E. And if you did at least 4 different calculations with labels, then that would have got you through to your Merit Plus.